If there are foaming samples to be steam distilled, this can result in a mess, with the whole sample coming over directly. For this case, a steam ramp can be programmed. In each method, you can program up to 3 different levels of steam power with the exact time when they should be activated. If a steam ramp is applied, the same sample will be exposed to less steam power in the beginning, and once the foaming is reduced, the next steam power level is activated. In this way, it is ensured that the sample stays inside a splash protector and only the analyte is transferred for further analysis.